Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create mesh network topology with Azure Virtual Network Manager. In the previous video, we created the Azure Virtual Network Manager, and in this video, I will create 3 virtual networks, then I will create a network group, and then we will create a connectivity configuration, then we'll deploy the connectivity configuration, and then we will confirm if that connectivity configuration deployment is working as expected to create a mesh topology using the Azure Virtual Network Manager. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal and this is my Azure Virtual Network Manager. All right. I will open up the new window and I will create 3 virtual network managers, 3 virtual networks. So let it stay there. I'll go to home and I will create a resource. I will do virtual network, create. I will pick up my subscription and I will use, I think I'm using this. Let me just confirm the resource group in which I'm creating. Name, I will select VNet A. I will create 3, VNet A, VNet B and VNet C. I'm creating it in the East US region. IP addresses. I'll go with the default one. And I will do this. Everything is default, not enabled. It is running the finding validation and I will hit create. It is creating the first virtual network. I'm going to repeat the same steps to create 3 virtual networks. Okay, I'm going to just pause the video and come back after my 3 virtual networks has been deployed. It is deploying my third and last virtual network. It will take few seconds, so I will have my 3 virtual networks created. Deployment is in progress. Here it is. VNet B. So if I go to home and I show you my virtual networks, right? AB, and then after it is done, it will be 3. So if I just refresh it, and deployment, see, right? So now I will go and create the virtual network group inside my Azure Virtual Network Manager. So I will go here. This is my Azure Virtual Network Manager. You see here, this is network groups. Click on it. You click on create a network group. You name it. You can say my NG or my network group. You see static membership. If you click on dynamic membership, then you would have to add, okay, that if the name contains this field, then automatically those virtual network will be added inside this network group. But I am not doing it. I am going with the static membership. Add virtual networks. I will add 3 here. I've added all of 3 virtual network. Here you click on review create. Validation passed. You click on create. Now it is creating a network group inside my Azure Virtual Network Manager. Okay, if I click on here, you would see the static members. Okay. All right. Now if you will create a connectivity configuration, you click on configurations and you click on connectivity configuration. You name it. You can say config A. You can say mesh topology. I want to create a mesh topology using this. They say enable mesh connectivity across regions. The virtual networks that are in the same region will be paired across all network groups selected below, right? So check the box for global mesh to pair virtual network across region. So you click on add a network group. I already have a network group inside in which I have 3 virtual networks. I have this, select it, add, successfully created or updated it. Now you will see that once we select the mesh topology, the global mesh and network groups options appear, and I was able to add it, right? Now if I want to deploy the connectivity configuration, you click on deployments. You click on deploy configuration. It says the selected configuration for deployment will override any existing configuration of the same type in the target region. This is because when you commit your configuration, you are defining the overall desired state of your configuration. Alright, so the configurations type is connectivity, configuration is config A, and target region is my East US. Alright, in which I have all of my virtual networks. So it will create a full mesh topology between all of these 3 virtual networks, though they are in the same region. But okay, you click on deploy. It says, did you select all configuration you want to enable in the selected region? Any previously deployed configuration will not automatically be carried over. I'll say okay. Deployment is in progress. Deployment is submitted. Okay. Now, the deployment of the configuration can take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. It totally depends upon Azure how it will be deployed, right? So when this would be done, I'll just confirm the configuration. So if I would go to one of my virtual networks and then select Network Manager, I should see the configuration I deployed using the Azure Virtual Network Manager. Okay. And after that, I can confirming it would be a full mesh topology between all of these 3 virtual networks that I have in the East US region, which are part of the network group inside the Azure Virtual Network Manager. Okay, so let me just pause the video and come back when the deployment is deployed. Okay, now if I refresh it, you will see that this is active. You would see the connectivity configuration, the active configurations here. This is how it will look like. Okay, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.